You want to know how to build one of these? I don't even know what they're called. Don't know the technical name, but we're going to build it because it took me 6 different videos to figure it out. And I had to get information from 6 different videos, put it all together, and then basically figure it out myself because everyone else was doing it off frame over here because they're fidgeting with it themselves. So this is a video how to build it. This is how it lays in there. We don't want this piece in yet. We want to put the spring in right now. If this blew apart in your hand and you're wondering, do you even have all the pieces? This is what you need. So if you got these, congratulations. You found all the pieces. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to lay this in here just like this. And this flat is going to be facing this flat. So the magic here is this gold piece. Forget these holes. You don't want the holes yet. Gold piece up here. We're going to push. See the spring pressure there? Pushing this underneath that to catch. Making sure that is fully seated. And it is. For now. Next, this piece here goes like that. See the holes? That's how it goes. I've already built this once. Video corrupted. Yeah. Here we are. This is where we're at. I had to redo the video. Not because I needed to. For me, I would like to never have taken this thing apart ever again. Would have lived a happy life for the rest of forever and never taken this thing apart. But that doesn't show you guys on YouTube very much. So we are rebuilding it. Biggest thing here, okay? This thing is going to try to spring out of here. So you need to push this direction. Also, yeah, it's trying to do it right now, actually, as we speak. IRL. IRL WTF. I think it's going to win, too, because, man, it's fighting. I may as well just let it snap out of there. Yeah, you can see how high it is right there. It is fighting. Oh, I won. Ha! Okay. Now you know how to fight that battle. We gotta get this thing. And it's a lot of pressure. I'm gonna hold this flat against the table. Take a flathead. And struggle. Take a flathead. Put it right about there. Pull that forward. Take a flathead, drop it in there. Please, sir. Why is the camera not focusing? That can't be it, though. That's too easy. That can't be it. Hang on. That can't be it. It's too easy. Something's off. I'm not letting go until I'm sure. Oh, we did it. Oh, man, we did it. Okay. Whoo. Okay. Good luck, you guys. That's how you do it. Hopefully it's all in frame. I'll review it before I upload. I got mine and you don't. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Biggest things here, guys. Don't worry about these holes down here. Those are mounting holes for this plate. They have nothing to do with these brackets here. So that was my biggest things, was thinking I need to use some of these holes with this clip here. If you lay this flat on the table and you maintain pressure holding this way and you lift up, you can see where I had to really fight it to get it to go, because it likes to fight. Like it loves to fight. But there you go. Enjoy the video, guys. Hopefully this helps somebody out. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces total, and then including this big piece. So 5 pieces, what you should have. If this thing starts to spring away, make sure you watch where the spring is going. Get a flashlight, lay it flat on the floor, and then lay your head on the floor and look sideways to find the spring. Thanks for watching, and I feel kind of guilty that I got this done so quickly because I just had to fight it for 20 minutes on the first video. seems a little bit too good to be true right now. So yeah, that's how they work. Little pieces of plastic, cut it for you. Pretty crazy. I feel like it's not done and I'm missing something, but I just can't put my finger on it. I feel like it doesn't go quite left and right like it should, and we're probably not done. But that is the gist. I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to lift this up and regret everything. But we got to make sure that we build it right. And it helps you guys out a little bit. Yeah, I fixed it. Yep, now we're parallel. So you can see before we weren't parallel. We weren't getting a nice even cut. Now we are. There's holes here that line up with these holes, and you got to make sure everything all lines up. But yeah, that is it. So enjoy. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.